So you have decided you would like to become a solicitor of England and Wales. In that case, there are 5 criteria that you will need to meet in order to make this idea or this ambition a reality. What are they? In this video, I'll be outlining the 5 criteria that most of us need to meet in order to qualify as a solicitor of England and Wales. I'll also be looking at criteria 2 and 3. Those are passing SQE1 and passing SQE2. So, what are these general criteria? Firstly, I'd like to point out that these are general. I know that there will be exceptions to these requirements. I know that some people won't need to meet every single requirement on this list, and there will be differences. But these are the general requirements. And they are as follows. Have a degree, or if you don't have a degree, demonstrate that you have a qualification which is of the same level as a degree or a master's. So that would be a level 6 qualification or a level 7 qualification. If you don't have any of those, for criterion 1, what you need to do is demonstrate that you have relevant work experience. Criterion 2, pass SQE1. Criterion 3, pass SQE2. Criterion 4, demonstrate you have at least 2 years qualifying work experience. Criterion 5, the Solicitors Regulation Authority will also need to be convinced that you meet their character suitability requirements. Now that we know the 5 general criteria if one wants to qualify as a solicitor of England and Wales, let's delve into criteria 2 and 3. What is SQE1 and what is SQE2? Now, SQE1, Solicitors Qualifying Exam 1, is an exam which tests your functioning legal knowledge of 13 areas of law and ethics and professionalism. So this exam is an exam which doesn't just ask or doesn't just aim to know what you know about these areas of law, but this exam aims to assess how well you can apply your knowledge of these areas of law to practical scenarios. Once you've completed that exam, as I said, you will need to pass SQE2. Now, SQE2 is somewhat different to SQE1. So remember, SQE1 is looking at how well you can apply the knowledge that you have of 13 areas of law to practical scenarios. But SQE2 is testing your competency with specific skills that would be required of a solicitor. So skills such as legal drafting and advocacy, for example. And how do they test this? They test this in the context of different areas of law. So you can see that SQE1 is very different to SQE2, and these are 2 exams that you will have to pass in order to make your ambition to become a solicitor of England and Wales a reality. So, which step are you on now? Are you looking towards completing SQE1 or SQE2, or are you doing your degree now and thinking of what to do next? Please let me know in the chat. Let me know where you are now and how it's going for you as you take these steps towards becoming a solicitor of England and Wales. Take care and bye-bye.